This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will discuss one more program of the topic filling and printing of an array. In the last video we discussed a program of filling and printing of an array and discussed that how four different names can be first read by the read statement from the data statement, and all these four numbers can be displayed on the screen by using just one variable name, and which is a subscripted variable array. So in the second program today we will discuss more example. In this example we will not be using any read or data statement like we have used in the above program. We will be using input statement. So let's see how it is done. Line number 10, we will type same in the previous program, for k is equal to 1 to 4. Line number 20, we will type input, please enter the name of student, and here we will use the same and $k. K is a subscript viewers which will be having the value from 1 to 4 according to the loop. Line number 30, we will type next k. So this above 3 lines will take the input from the user 4 times because the loop will be executed 4 times. So 4 different names can be entered because it's a string variable. So 4 different names of the students will be input by using the input statement. Line number 20. Line number 40, we will type for k is equal to 1 to 4. Now one more loop at line number 40. Print. Line number 50, print and $k. Same. Now we want to actually display the output of all of those 4 names of the students, so we will use the print statement over here. Line number 50. Line number 60, we will type next k, and line number 70 we will type end. So let's switch to the IDE of Duty Basic. We will execute the program over here. We'll see the output how this program is executed. Here we are students, so we will type the same program. For k is equal to 1 to 4. Line number 20, we will type input, please enter the name of students, $k subscripted variable array having subscript k. Line number 30, next k. Line number 40, for j is equal to 1 to 4, 50, print and $k. Line number 60, next j. Line number 70, e and n. So we will save this program. I will press the F4 key for saving the program. F4 key and type fill AR2.bas. Now we'll load this, type fill AR2.bas, name of the program, press F2 key. So we'll type Jack, Sean, Steve and Michael. So you can see that the output cannot be seen on the screen, so we'll list this program. I will make a change at line number 40 and type for k equal to 1 to 4 and type again. Here we'll type edit 40, and here we will use variable k equal to 1 to 4 instead of j. Likewise, you would like to edit line number 60, so we will type next k over here. Now we will again save this program, press F4 key and type filarr2.bas, name of the program. Again we will load this by pressing the F3 key, and we will type the name again, arr2.bas. Now we will run the program and type name like Jack, Steve, Robert and Michael. So viewers, you can see that all these 4 names can be printed on the screen as it is. For the help of the input statement, we actually given the input to the computer, like we have given 4 names, Jack, Steve, Robert, Michael. The print statement over the program is used to show all the 4 names to display on the screen as it is in the order in which the input was given to the computer. So you can see the order like Jack first, Steve 2, Robert 3rd, and Michael 4th. So this is how we can again build the program. I can show this to you guys. This is how this program was executed. First, the loop was executed and there was a variable named k which has initial value 1 to 4. The loop will be executed 4 times, and during this 4 times the input will be taken by the user. So the input will be given by the user, and the 4th statement please enter the name of the students will be shown on the screen 4 times, and every time the loop will be executed. First time the 1 will be assigned in the place of k, second time the loop is executed, 2 will be assigned to k, third time loop will be executed, value of k becomes 3, and the 4th time the final value loop will be executed 4 times, then 4 will be executed to 4. It means the 4 times the input will be taken by the user, and here the loop is executed. That means that this structure 10, 20, 30, these all 3 lines will be used to take the input from the user 4 times, because we have actually given the final value 4 over here to the variable k by using the counter loop. And at line number 40 again this loop is executed 4 times, and this time here if you see the structure 40, 50, 60, this is entirely changed from the above first 3, 10, 20, 30 lines. How? Because in this structure the loop will be executed 4 times again, but here the name which was entered by the user, 4 names of the student will be displayed as it is in the order in which the input is given. So this is how we can use the input statement, print statement to display the name of string variable on the screen, name of the students. So let's I'm going to explain this. So let's see how the explanation is done. So viewers, we have performed this program and have seen the output on the screen. Now I'm gonna explain this to you line by line. At line number 10, okay, let's start. Line number 10, counter loop for is used with the variable named k which has initial value 1 and final value 4, means that the loop will be executed 4 times. At line number 20, we have used input statement to take the input from the user, and the message please enter the name of students is enclosed in double quotes. That is why the same message will be displayed on the output screen 4 times, and after the closure of double quotes we have used comma and mentioned and used the array variable name and $k, where and is a string variable and the variable k enclosed in parentheses is used as subscript, so it will ask the user to give input 4 times to store the name of 4 different names of the students in computer memory. Right, at line number 30, next k is used, which is for ending, closing the loop, the above loop. At line number 40, again for loop is used, which will be executed 4 times, but here at line number 50, print statement is used to display output of the 4 different names of the students stored in the array variable named $k, which is a string variable, and four different names of the students stored in the array variable name. And at line number 60, next k is used to close this loop. Important thing is to note the output will be shown on the screen, on the output screen, in the same order in which the input is given by the user. So let's show the output. It was a program, it was the explanation. Now I'm going to show you the output. So we'll show the output over here, the same program. So first let's switch to the IDE of the GBA basic program where we have executed the program. So here we are, we will run this program, press the F2 key, and here I will type the name Stanley and here Rebecca. Here I will type Linda, and here I will type Brooke. So you can see the order I have typed. The name of the students was Stanley, Rebecca, Linda, Brooke, and the same order can be seen as an output: Stanley, Rebecca, Linda. This is the output used by the print statement. We can see the 4 names, and in the same order the input was given to the computer, and this input was used to take the input from the user by using the loop for, which is a counter loop. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video.